So today I got to bring the camera to school. My friend, I told him that I was a YouTuber at the beginning when we were friends, and then he thought I was lying, and then I proved to him on my computer, and he was just sitting there in shock, and I was like, okay, I'll bring the camera and you could be in one of my videos. And so, and he started jumping up and down, and so today I brought the camera. I am gonna let him be in one of the videos. I have such a far walk from my bus stop, it's so far. Okay, I want to tell you one thing. I've been passing under or by birds all the time. We're always terrified of a bird because we do not want them pooping on us. Like, we're both like terrified. So if you see like a bird on like the power line or something, we like go like to the side, and then we're like, you can't get us now. And today's the end of term 3, so got one more term until we're out of school. So that's fun. So right now I'm at school and I have my friend Nathan. Come on, don't be freaking scared. It's not that hard. Okay, is there anything you want to say? We're like, it's really bright out here. Is there anything you want to say?
I dreamed of being on a YouTube channel with 1 million subscribers. Now I am.
Okay.
That's really weird.
He's been dying to do this. I've been like, okay, I'll just bring it to school, and yeah. You met my friend Aiden. Aiden has been dying to do this for days, weeks, but I kept on forgetting to bring the camera to school. After I turned off the camera, he was like, that has been my dream for years. I've always wanted to be friends with a famous YouTuber and be on a famous YouTube channel. You can see Lincoln. Anyways, that was a blast for him. He was so excited to do that. But you'll have to go back and you'll have to see what Cody and Dad did today at school.
I'm excited to go skiing with you today.
Same.
First ski day, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, go with your class.
Okay.
Per mom's orders, we gotta put sunscreen on you. So this is mom's good stuff. All right, close your mouth. I think I need to come to more ski days with the kids. I mean, I guess they only do it in the 4th and 5th grade. But I didn't come to Olivia's. We were actually out of town somewhere, but this is amazing right now. The ski resort got like 1 to 2 inches last night, which isn't a ton, but the groom stuff is like just super soft and smooth. And I am not on skis, I am back on a snowboard. I learned how to snowboard before I did anything. But when it came to teaching the kids how to, I don't know, be on the slopes, skiing is a little bit easier to pick up than snowboarding. I personally feel like, and I feel like once they get the hang of skiing, they'll go to a board instantly. But if not, you catch your edge once on a snowboard, you'll never touch the mountain again. It hurts so bad. I have gotten back on a board. It feels so comfortable. I feel like I haven't lost a step. And I'm gonna get a few runs in while Cody's at ski school. That's how the school programs work. They come up, take the kids, they mandatorily have to do a ski lesson, even if they're good. Story time, I snowboarded in junior high, and my junior high did a ski day, but the ski day, you mandatorily had to do a ski lesson. They were pretty prejudiced against snowboarders at this resort. At the time, at least. So I was like, I'm an advanced snowboarder. I've never skied in my life, but I'm not leaving all my friends to go who are advanced skiers. I just told them, yeah, I'm good. I lied. I was like, I'm a good skier, we'll be fine. I thought I was gonna die. There was 1.5 feet of fresh powder. I came out of my bindings 1,000,000 times. The first half of my day was a nightmare. The second half of the day, gorgeous in flawless snow on a nice snowboard. It was amazing. Clearly, Cody is very bored with the ski lessons. Better get up. We are like right next to these clouds. They are so close. And this one right there is just spinning in circles. It is so cool to look at. I'm sure the camera is not picking it up, but it's incredible looking. That's the easy way down. This way's funner. Go this way. Your hand's frozen. Here. Ah. Oh, I didn't mean to hit you in the face. Throw those guys on. They'll make your hands a little warmer, okay? That's one way to ski, Code. That's a black diamond you just skied down.
Black diamond? I told you we should have gone the easier way.
I think you're right, bud. Good turns. Keep those heels together. Atta boy. You're sitting forward in your skis. You gotta learn to relax and sit back, bud. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, there's Lincoln. He found his costume for 2021. Is that this year? 2021 Halloween. Lincoln wants to be a garbage man. I'm not gonna lie. That brings up a lot of bad memories for me. When I was 11, that is what I was for Halloween. Except me and my brother sat and ate all the Halloween candy and taped the wrappers to me to like make it look more garbage-esque. And that's the year I tore my ACL. So yeah, Link,
Trash bag.
I'm not letting ya. Cause I was standing on top of a garbage, or no, I was standing on the edge of like the mailbox things, you know, the brick ones. And there was like a little point, and when I went to jump off, my garbage bag caught it, and then I tipped forward and landed flat on my knee.
Mommy, is this good?
That gives me like the chills. Lindsay Voorhees was supposed to catch me. She didn't. Ooh, Lee or Boston. Nobody gets as excited about a button up as you, and that makes me really happy. You look so handsome. Yes, you can wear it to school. Hot dog, yes. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Come here. I've been in bed all day with a headache, like a super, super bad headache. But Cody, I heard you fell asleep on the bus going to the ski place.
Yes, I did. I stayed awake like half of the time eating a bunch of snacks for my friends. Like they packed a lot of snacks, and so we shared it like with our whole class. Like we didn't like open a bag then share it, like we each gave each other a bag. After that, I started falling asleep, same with Sway, but there was like barely any room. It's like this wide, like each. So I fell asleep like this. Then eventually I fell over a little bit like this, and then like a quarter before we were there, I fell asleep and landed on the floor.
Stop.
Yep. Then I woke up, and then I grabbed all my stuff. Then Dad was there, but they had lessons, like there's certain kinds. It was either like experts, like.
And what did you go under?
I go into experts, same with Sway and Caleb.
And did it feel hard, or was it not very hard?
It was not hard at all.
Yeah.
Like we had to go inside the cones doing turns, and we had to stay on the bunny hill. I went up with Dad a few times. We went on the Black Diamond. Sway came with us, and we went to the terrain park, and I said, Dad, we should go the easy way because I don't think me and Sway will survive going on the steeper hill. And he said, yeah, you'll be fine. Me and Sway were on our backs the entire time going down the whole mountain.
That's what he said.
And then he never told us we were like on Black Diamond. Then he said, but you just went down Black Diamond.
Yeah, he said he didn't mean to.
And then after that, Sway, he forgot his gloves in the lodge, so his hands were frozen.
Oh no.
And his skis kept on falling off because they weren't tight enough. And then he had a headache, like a deep one.
Darn it. You guys were out there all day.
Yeah.
Your eyes are so red.
Like on the white part is like
red. I can see it.
red.
I've noticed it.
It's gonna be so sore tomorrow morning. They're gonna be swollen.
You'll crash early tonight, I'm sure. You were up so early. He stayed up so late because he was so excited to go skiing. I'm so glad you had a fun day.
We had to wait like till 8:30 because one student wasn't there, and she said, if you're not here by a certain time, we're gonna leave you. But she just decided to wait.
Wait,
So,
that was nice of your teacher because she said she wasn't gonna do that.
she said we could either draw or watch a Mickey cartoon. So we watched like 5 Mickey cartoons.
I bet the girl or whoever it was really appreciated that. That was a very nice teacher. Please say that again. Why did everybody sit at the table with Dad at lunch?
Because they were like excited to see him.
In person, you said? Do they watch him in the videos?
Yeah. And then there was another table beside us because there wasn't room. And they all stared at him.
Oh, that's fun. I think that you should be really grateful for a nice dad that goes on a field trip with you. I remember my dad went on one with me when my teacher was Mrs. Howell. I don't even remember where we were, but I remember I was so excited to have my dad there. And guess what? I felt like he was a little celebrity on my... Yeah, and nobody even knew him, but I think that's just how I felt. Like I felt like, oh, meet my dad. I was so proud of him.
Are you feeling any better, Mom?
It's weird when I sit up, my head just throbs if I'm laying down. I can tell that it hurts, but it like doesn't actually hurt.
Sags a little bit.
But you know what I am just like loving is Cody hasn't stopped talking. I turned the camera off and he just keeps talking, and I love it.
Kathy,
Yes, I do.
enjoy his day, huh?
Oh yeah, you are a nice daddy. Yes. Okay, so Olivia's doing a little try on.
Anything that fits.
Olivia's been in this like awkward
I'm in like
size
between like women's and then like kids, so it's just like.
So the largest size in like kids, like a 14, 16, too small. Thank you, Lincoln. And sometimes extra smalls aren't fitting her quite right, but I think you're at the stage where they do fit because this is a size extra small and it fits you wonderfully. I actually have the size medium and it fits me, so we're gonna get some pictures in
these. Are stretchy. Like these are
I was
super
worried
stretchy.
that the arms were gonna be tight with the way they looked, but they're not, huh?
No,
they're just stretchy.
stretched, like they
Oh
have, like,
gosh.
a rad band in it.
I'm like talking too much. I gotta lay down again. I will link the dress because it's going to be such a good summer dress. I'm so happy that fits you. When I tell you this is not the kind of dinner that I like preparing for my kids, it just isn't, but it's going to do tonight because literally my head hurts in a way that I cannot even describe.